Meta has surged plus 4.24% to $622.98. In this video we break down exactly what is driving this move and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Thursday, June 4th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Markets are sending mixed signals today as investors weigh competing narratives. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading lower by minus 0.74% at $7,553.68. Equity markets are responding to reports that us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. NASDAQ 100 slipped minus 0.29% to $30,571. Equity markets are responding to reports that RE chip stocks climb as Broadcom earnings approach go trade. Dow Jones is down minus 1.21%, trading at $50,687. Investor sentiment is being shaped by us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. DAX is trading higher by plus 0.48%, at $25,124. The move follows reports that us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. FTSE 100 slipped minus 0.40% to $10,332. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Meta surged plus 4.24% to $622.98 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Meta shares climb as RE agent strategy expands beyond advertising, trading view. Nvidia plunged minus 3.62% to $214.75 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that chip stocks 2026, identifying the semiconductor winners versus RE hype barons. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.30% to $360,500. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Microsoft plunged minus 3.17% to $427.34 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Microsoft Cloud and RE strength fuels third quarter results, Microsoft source. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. Turning to commodities. Brent crude climbed to $97.86 per barrel, up 1.94% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. WTI crude climbed to $96.20 per barrel, up 2.6% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. Natural gas climbed to $3.25, up 2.78% on the session. The move follows reports that us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. Gold dipped to $4,462.70 per troy ounce, down 0.59% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold slips as rising oil prices and inflation concerns temper safe haven demand, Yahoo Finance. Let us give you our near-term view on Meta. From a momentum perspective, The next key resistance for Meta sits around $660.36. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, losing 0.29% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 0.31% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.97, gaining 0% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to Commission discusses gas and oil supply risks with EU countries as the conflict in the Middle East reaches a 3-month mark. ec.europa.eu. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If this breakdown was valuable, please share it with anyone who follows the markets. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a market update. We read every comment, drop your view below. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.